Hi, everyone. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky from the Organizing Zone, and I'm very excited to share with you the top 5 reasons my clients just love virtual organizing. So here we go. Number 1, the very focused sessions. Because we work over Zoom, we have to have a very specific goal, like organizing a home office. This way, the results are obvious much more quickly, and my clients are motivated by this. You can see that their objective is becoming a reality. Number 2, the accountability. We meet maybe 1 to 3 times a week, so they really have to be committed to organizing their space. And knowing that I'm there to support them, encourage them, and guide them is really beneficial to them as well as their project. Also, it helps them get those in-between session assignments done, which keeps the project moving forward. Number 3, the shorter sessions. Well, because we meet maybe for an hour to an hour and a half at a time, we can get a lot done, like collaborate on strategies and solutions. We can I can teach them organizing skills, and they get a chance to practice the skills I'm teaching them. So there's plenty of time to do the work, but not too much time where they get overwhelmed. Number 4, the flexibility of scheduling. Because the sessions are shorter, if my clients have full-time jobs or very full schedules, we can still carve out that hour or an hour and a half to meet whenever it's convenient for them. Number 5, the between-session assignments. These are ideal for my clients to practice those organizing skills that I've taught them during the sessions, because the more they practice, the sooner they'll become habits. So, is virtual organizing good for you in your next project? Let's find out. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky from the Organizing Zone. Call me at 917-375-0631. I look forward to speaking with you. Bye.